So, I am Aligir Lingappa, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government Postgate College, Sirigupa. Previous class, we have discussed about perpendicular axis theorem. The statement of perpendicular axis theorem, the mathematical expression for perpendicular axis theorem, explanation of perpendicular axis theorem. So now I am discussing about parallel axis theorem. What about the statement of parallel axis theorem? Then explanation and then mathematical expression for parallel axis theorem. Parallel axis theorem. So statement. The moment of inertia of a body about an axis parallel to the body passing through its center is equal to the sum of moment of inertia of a body about the axis passing through the center of gravity and product of mass of the body times the square of distance between the two axes. That means the moment of inertia that must be equal to the sum of moment of inertia of a body about an axis, passing through the center of gravity and the square of product of mass and the square of distance between the two parallel axes. Parallel axis theorem statement can be expressed as I is equal to IC plus MH square, where I is the moment of inertia of the body. IC moment of inertia about the center, M is the mass of the body, H is the square of the distance between the two axes. So now you see a rigid body where AB is the axis passing through the center of gravity, A dash B dash the axis of rotation, H distance between the two axes. Let M be the particle in a rigid body where at a distance R plus H from the axis of rotation A dash B dash. I moment of inertia of the body about A dash B dash, and I see moment of inertia of a body about an axis AB. Let IC be the moment of inertia of an axis which is passing through the center of mass AB from the figure, and I be the moment of inertia about the axis A dash B dash at a distance of H. Consider a particle of mass M at a distance R from the center of gravity of the body. Then distance from A dash B dash is equal to R plus H, that means the distance of the particle from the axis of rotation. I is equal to sigma M into R plus H whole square. So by the basic expression I is equal to M R square. I is equal to sigma M R square plus H square plus 2 R H. Then again I is equal to sigma M R square plus sigma M H square plus sigma 2 R H. So further which can be done as IC plus H square sigma M plus 2H sigma MR. Then I is equal to IC plus M H square where sigma M, small m, which can be replaced by capital M. So the whole mass of a body where the factor 2h sigma mr that becomes 0. Then finally I is equal to IC plus mh square. So this formula that indicates the parallel axis theorem. That means moment of inertia of a body about an axis I is equal to the sum of moment of inertia of a body about an axis passing through its center of gravity IC plus the product of mass of a body and the square of distance between the two axes AB and A dash B dash. So, parallel axis theorem. Thank you.